Okay, in this video we're going to take a look at batch rendering our scene. This is different from standard rendering where we just come up here and click the little render button, because in this case we're telling Maya to start a job where it's going to go frame by frame through our animation and render out each specific frame and save it to a file on the hard drive.
That's right. It's going to use those render global settings that we made earlier to do the render.
That's right, and this is very, very easy to set up. First off, you will need to be under your rendering menu set, so make sure you're there if you're not already. And then very simply, we go down to Render, Batch Render. Now, I'm going to switch over here to the options box and show you something that will be very useful to those of you who are using computers with multi-processors. You can step inside here and tell the computer how many processors you want to use. So maybe if you're lucky enough to be using a dual processor machine, or maybe a quad processor or something with hyper-threading, you can come in here and tell how many processors you'd like to use, or just go ahead and check the Use All Available Processors button. We're using a dual processor machine in this case, so this will make our render go a whole lot faster.
That's right. Now when you hit the batch render button, which we can go ahead and do now, don't expect to see a render view dialog pop up.
No, this is all taking place in the background.
That's right, and the files are being written to the hard drive as the render completes. Now take a look down here in the command feedback line. Let's go ahead and open this up. We're going to see some interesting information that you guys may find useful.
Right next to feedback, we have the script editor.
Ooh, result. Percentage done.
Frame 1, percentage done, 13, 14%. You see it counting.
That's right.
Here's something really cool. Now, when you guys start rendering your scenes, it's going to take a few minutes. You know, even at 320, it could take, I don't know, depending on the speed of your computer, several minutes.
Yeah.
Please note that if you like, you can close Maya if you want and completely walk away from your machine. Maya does not have to be open for the batch render to keep doing its task. So really, with that, it's a very simple lesson, or simple video. All we've done is come in here and start our render up. When we come back in the next video, our render will be complete, and we'll show you how you can review this using the FCheck utility.
That's it.